Kublaya pi baru kini kilong ki kubor bam tagasngi. Umentri rangba kajela konrad kisangma ola pentikna kajing kem berkajing pengan ha kajing pen saja ya ki brio ki badan kti ha kajing kensyat bat ba penshet ya ki pat ba ban pen klumar hatura kan long bethek karkum ki sakhi satar Hendrai ukonran ulakiar ban kentho ha kaliang kakam san perthei halor kane kajing kulmar bat jing herthma ya ki chief minister office CMO Tura katba udang yeshong jingelang bat kiseng bhalang banya silok halor ka jingdawa winter capital bat ka jingpentray kam ya ka roster system nadu kisnem balalenyo ngakwa ban kren ya ka ne da ka pashay kadar ba kinu ki ban syakem thek halor kisakhi satar ke e ka bajya kam de satya ka bayaham nganalet chatei de kajingtmu ban penben bat ngaklem menjur banet chatei sya kajaka bakidon henrei haba perkhat yo kami kajing snothu bakla bat perkhat bakala banyaram ngala rai bat nganet chatei banyakren bat ki bat banwat ekalenti banya jam shakhman ong ukonran umentri rangba ula banjur ba umkwa ban tat halor ki jingdon kti ki sengsan perthei haba ong baki ek baro kindei Kiba pensyong nongrem katkum ki sakhi ulo ongru baki seng bhalang kila pentikna ba omdan uwei na kitu ki bathau jingkulmar ne ki bahiarthma ya ka CMO ki dei na ka seng ka jongki Nabaro ki jingkran ki don ki kinhon banabar ki bedron hagate ka jaka bar ki bamdan jingya dei ber ki kinhon bawan yakran Kitu ke beya perta slogan ki dei jong ki sengsan perthei ngin om kdo ya kinu ki sengsan perthei bat baro hi kinsyong katkum ki sakhi lada ubriu udon kti haga jing kinshon ki bor ka an kinshim ya ka senjam banne persha ya u katkum ki sakhi satar ula benram
So we done with this?
Yes.
Okay. This was an incident that was not at all in any way communally motivated or religiously motivated. I just want to make that clear. There was some groups of individuals who had gone to some of the shops. This is the initial report that's come to me, but we are still working on the details. And once there was some kind of altercation that took place, and because some of the stuff that they were demanding for or asking for was not given, and some exchange took place of words, that more people came in and they attacked the individual. So it was a very standalone incident, not at all religiously or communally motivated, but it just so happens that the two groups were from two different communities, and hence it is easy to connect those dots and then try to give it a communal or religious color. I'm very clear, it's not. We have asked and studied all the background of the individuals. They are not related to any particular organization or any kind of communal issue or anything like that. It was a standalone incident that happened between two groups, and as per law, whatever action has to be taken will be taken. And I appeal to everybody not to give this kind of incident or any other incident that is there a communal color from day one. This is not correct, as it leads to unnecessary tension. But this incident, as I said, was completely between two groups and two individuals, which had nothing to do with religion.